So I'm starting off this look with a fresh face, and I'm first going to go in with my sunscreen. This is actually part of my Your skincare routine. If you guys haven't seen my video, I will link it down in the description below. But I use that before going in with my Urban Decay foundation. This is my Hydromaniac foundation, and I absolutely love it. It was my summer favorite for 2021, but since my skin is pretty much the same skin tone as it was during the summer, I'm just throwing that on and using a brush to blot out the product so that it blends into my skin seamlessly and perfectly. Next, I'm taking my Tarte Concealer and I'm just applying it to my under eyes as well as the bridge of my nose and my Cupid's bow. And I'm just going to gently use my finger to dab it out since I didn't use much product. And it will also allow for a very blended application. And I'm also making sure that I blot it out on my eyelids as well, because that will be the base for our eyeshadow. Once that's done, I take my Laura Mercier powder and using a brush, I apply it onto the places where I applied my concealer to set it in. And I'm making sure that I take my time with this. And to apply it today, I'm using a flat tip brush. You can use this or you can use a beauty blender. Next, I'm going in with my contour and I'm only going to be focusing on my nose for now. So I'm taking a small brush and I'm just gently applying the contour powder onto my nose and softly blending it out with my brush. Then I take the same brush that I used for my Laura Mercier powder and I blot some excess residue from the powder onto my nose to set it in. Then going back in with my contour, I use a different brush and I just lightly apply it on the hollows of my cheeks on both sides. I'm not going too in depth with this and just lightly applying and also going into my hairline, making sure that I'm blending it into the hairline, as well as gently on my jaw and my cheeks. Going in with my blush, I use my Kabuki brush, and similarly to the contour, I gently apply it as well, just right above where I placed my contour, just to give it some color. And you guys can see it's a nice peachy rose color that I absolutely love. And then I just clean up a bit with the same powder brush from earlier. Next, again, taking the same contour palette, I'm actually going to be using this as eyeshadow, so I'm taking my eyeshadow brush, and with a swiping motion, I just sweep the color onto the crease of my lid. And then I take my eyebrow pencil and I just gently fill in my eyebrows. adding a little bit more contour before going in with my mascara, which I did off camera. Then using a black eyeshadow shade, I take a brush and I use that as eyeliner, focusing on both the top lid line as well as the bottom lid line, before taking another coat of mascara and just making my lashes really nice. I think I went in with about 3 to 4 coats of mascara because, again, this is a natural look. Next, I go in with my lip liner. This is my Plumberry lip liner from Wet n Wild. Very smooth application. And you can see it matches my lip color as well. Now I was going to decide between the two of these, but I ended up picking my Milani lip gloss because I absolutely love how frosty it is. Both of them are frosty actually, but this one's just a little bit more pink and just a little bit more what I'm looking for right now for this look. And after touching up just a little bit more, I go in with my setting spray. And fan it out. And here's the final look. That's it, you guys. My natural makeup routine. Definitely one of the quickest looks I've done and one of the easiest looks I've done. If you guys want to recreate it, let me know in the comments down below. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look that I did for you today. Please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button and the notification bell for more videos and updates. And leave a comment down below telling me what makeup look I should do next. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon.